Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best budget gaming PCs for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR is an inexpensive gaming machine with amazing graphics and a powerful board. It supports VR gaming, allowing you to enjoy virtual reality accessories such as Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. It runs on an Intel Core i5 processor with 2.9 GHz. A new NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphic card with an extra 6 GB on board ensures that you play games with great visuals and graphics. It supports 4K, 1080, and Full HD resolution games. This gaming PC is also equipped with 8 GB DDR4 RAM, a 240 GB SSD, and a 1 TB HDD, which is enough to handle large and heavy files at once. To let you start gaming right away, the manufacturer put a gaming keyboard and a mouse in the box for free. At number 4, Skytech Blaze 2 Gaming PC. This is another affordable gaming computer from Skytech with great specs and performance. This PC comes with a Ryzen 5 2600 processor for fast loading time and high performance. It also features the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphic card that delivers clear and high-quality images, videos when gaming or watching movies. Data can be safely stored on the 500 GB hard disk, and 8 GB RAM are enough to play the most popular games without interruptions. The machine is also easy and quick to set up. The Skytech Blaze 2 gaming computer runs very quietly and has a compact design that makes it perfect for rooms with small space. It supports 1080p, 4K, and Full HD resolutions. At number 3, Dell i5-676A696 Blue Gaming PC Desktop. The Dell i5-676A696 Blue is one of the best performers when it comes to a gaming experience but is also slightly on the higher end of the price range. But it is worth the money because you get the second-generation AMD Ryzen 7 processor for outstanding gaming experiences. It is accompanied by the latest AMD Radeon RX 580 graphic card to create a high-speed frame rate and smooth gameplay. You may expect from a high performer like the Dell i5-676A696 Blue. It contains a 1 TB hard disk and 16 GB RAM to ensure faster load and boot times. It also has a fin chassis for optimal cooling. With this power, VR games are a piece of cake for the Dell. Lastly, this gaming desktop has a compact design making it ideal for people with limited space. At number 2, IBUYPOWER Gaming PC Computer Mr. 9320. Gaming PCs from IBUYPOWER are some of the top-selling and best-selling machines under $1,000 on the market. This gaming desktop may come close to the 4-digit mark, but for a good reason. It comes with a powerful Intel i7-10700F 2.9 GHz processor, one of the best cores you can get for this kind of computer, or the working memory IBUYPOWER decided to insert 16 GB RAM. It is also equipped with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 6 GB graphic card that is VR ready and enables you to play games on high resolution and high settings. Data is stored either on the 240 GB SSD or the 1 TB HDD, so don't worry about your files and space issues. Lastly, this gamer comes with a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime tech support from the manufacturer. Finally at number 1, CyberpowerPC Gaming PC. The CyberpowerPC, GXIVR 8060A7, is a perfect choice if you're looking for a reliable and heavy-duty gamer that is still affordable for non-professional gamers. It features a powerful Intel Core i5-9400F processor to ensure excellent and fast performance when playing games. It also comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphic card, enabling you to enjoy 4K, Full HD, and 1080 resolution gaming. This PC has sufficient 8GB RAM for multitasking needs and a 120GB hard disk that offers enough space for saving large game files and applications. The RGB case lighting is a nice and cool-looking design feature. On top of that, this gaming PC comes with an RGB lighted gaming mouse and gaming keyboard. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.